Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Spatial audio head tracking in your Apple AirPods Max 2. At first open the settings and now here select your headphones from the list. Now scroll down till you see here the accessibility. Select this and here scroll down again. Spatial audio head tracking is here. It's follow iPhone. You can disable it or enable it. When a follow iPhone is on, spatial audio for supported movies and TV shows will sound like it's coming from your iPhone instead of following your head movement. And now, if you have it disabled, it will just, follow your head movement. And now if it's enabled, it will just follow your iPhone as it's here in the description. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.